Welcome back to Beatboxing for Babies. This is Dilip, the man who likes to wear his shades while he beatboxes. We are going to teach you how to do a snare. Different types of snares. Go.
Is the inward K snare and is the PF snare.
Okay,
Yes.
teach me how to do that.
Okay.
Inward first.
The inward K snare is like doing a click,
Okay.
but you've got to keep the tip of your tongue on the side of your tooth. And do the snap.
Okay, so you change your mouth to get different sounds.
Yeah, you change your mouth position, yes. Yeah, it's basically like and so like A and O.
Okay, so basically your tongue is on top of your palate
Yes,
and you bring your tongue down.
yes.
You drop your tongue down and you breathe in at the same time.
Yeah, so it's like you're doing the snap while breathing in.
And you're going to be coughing because I feel like coughing right now.
Yeah,
so make sure you drink a
In the
lot of
beginning,
water. Yeah, until you get the hang of it, you're going to be coughing. So that is the inward
K snare.
K snare, the inward K snare. Nice.
Then the PF snare.
PF snare.
It's just like doing the kick drum, like how in the previous tutorial. So you say B and you stress on the B sound. So
B.
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 Yes, and you're saying F at the same time. So
F.
and yes, and at the same time is like yes. That's how the PF snare is done.
And F.
Yes. Yes.
You put them together.
Yeah.
And you're going to have a lot of spit flying around, which is also fine. You learn to control it somewhere down the line. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. That was Beatboxing for Babies Lesson 2.